Importance of compressed air in the textile industry part 2. Hi friends, this is Vivek Bhatnagar from Zentech System and Solutions. We are a one-stop solutions for air compressors, compressor accessories like air dryers, coolers and filters. We also do cooling towers, industrial chillers and industrial piping solutions for air, water and chemicals. In the previous video, we were basically talking about the uses of air compressors in the textile industry and the factors which affect the performance of air compressors. In today's video, we will be basically talking on improving the compressor and the compressed air system efficiency. We have basically 6 points on that, so let us start on that. The first point is picking the right compressors. Compressors are broadly classified into two categories. One is the positive displacement, which includes the reciprocating and the rotary screw type, etc. And the dynamic type of air compressors, which includes the centrifugal and the axial compressors. Depending on your requirement, it is very important to select the right type of compressor because ultimately the entire system efficiency depends on it. So selecting the right compressor as per your usage is an important aspect. The second point is improving the system design. Having selected the compressor, a proper designed compressed air distribution system is equally important to get the best results from it. So, using the right piping materials, using the right technicalities while laying the pipeline distribution system, what angles, what bends to be used, and also whether any storage tanks are required at specific points. All these are a critical aspect in designing a good efficient system. Hence, consulting proper people in the line will always give you better results. And the third point is knowing proper compressor controls. Once the system has been laid and the unit is running, proper control system is equally important to know what is the exact operating conditions of the compressors. Unnecessarily running the compressors at their highest capacity pressure and when it is not required will ultimately lead to putting heavy strain on the machines, excessive power consumptions and damages to the unit. The compressor controls also help the operators to monitor the proper conditions of the unit. Hence, knowing the controls is an important point for an efficient compressed air system. Point number 4. Matching up to the actual compressed air requirement. Once you are designing a compressed air system, it is very important to lay down or list down basically the individual compressed air requirement of each machine. This will help you to actually calculate the total load for the compressed air requirement, and this finally helps you to select the right compressor of the right capacity or configuration. Therefore, it is very important that you select a compressor with some additional buffer as per the actual requirement at your end. Point number 5. Eliminating pressure drops. Eliminating pressure drops can be achieved by basically using the right piping size for your compressed air distribution system. In certain cases, you may have to use storage tanks if the line is pretty long so that you can reduce the pressure fluctuations in the system. Even if you are using air dryers, after coolers or compressed air filters, you should use the one with the minimum pressure drop across it. This will help you to get good results and save energy. The last and the final point is the regular maintenance. You may have a good system, you may have a good compressor, but routine maintenance of these compressors, the compressor accessories and the distribution system is a very important part. You should always follow the scheduled maintenance of the air compressors. You should clean the filter elements and the dryers and the coolers at regular intervals to get the best outputs, and also have a routine maintenance for the flushing or the cleaning up of the compressed air pipeline system. In totality, you will get good output, more efficiency and less power consumption. This brings us finally to the end of today's video. So we can basically see how important is compressors and compressed air distribution system for a textile industry. Most of the industrialists spend a lot of money on buying good compressors and all, but ultimately they are not able to make the best of it because due to misguided information or wrong system design and installation or improper maintenance. I hope this video is of service to you. In case you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues who can benefit from it. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. This is Vivek Bhatnagar signing off. Take care and bye-bye.